Hi guys, so I'm just going to make a simple top today. So basically all you need is a piece of fabric folded double. This measures 75 centimeters, which is 29.5 inches by 55 centimeters, which again is 21.5 inches. I've marked out the pins. So basically from the end of your sleeve, this is a size 10, it's 23 centimeters to the neckline. 23 centimeters is 9 inches. So what I did first is mark the middle, which is 37.5, and then from there you can measure 15 centimeters each, or go from the hem. And then the sleeve width is going to be 25 centimeters as well, and this includes your seam allowance. 25 centimeters is 10 inches. And then for your waist, this is a size 10 UK size. I've measured 36 centimeters, so that's 16 on either side of the center. Then I'm going to cut a nice little curve. Fold that double. Just so you get a similar curve, I folded it double. And it doesn't have to be 1,000,000% accurate. So now you're going to seam the curve, that side, seam that curve, seam from the neckline to the end of the sleeve, and same on the other side. Then you can hem your sleeves, hem the bottom. So here's the finished product. It's a little bit tight. It could maybe do with it being an inch longer. You could wear it off the shoulder. That looks better actually, doesn't it? There we go. Hope you like the tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye!